Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 73. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Florenka. Now, she was screaming and said, Meowly. Probably, she was really hurt by this. Well, she doesn't expect that Meowly, that she's going to punish her seriously. Plus, you teased my child and her classmate and spread rumors about me and my wife. Well, Meowly said to her, round it off and it's 20 lashes. Well, that must really exaggerating, but it seems that she got really serious about this. You, how dare you? Franca said to her, I will make you completely miserable, and I will throw you into the sea to feed the fish. Well, Franca, she was still teasing her, but, of course, Miale said, although your family's education is never food character and loafers, now she's going to provoke her. Well, but Mimi, people can be mean. Miale said to her, once a person becomes a mean, he will lose all his dignity and face. Well, Florenka said, I don't know. Don't say you don't know what Gugaidan did. Well, Miale, she was patting her face and said, it just make you look either ridiculous or inconfident. Well, Miaoli, it seems that she's going to tease her again. Suddenly, she was holding a glass of water and she really poured it on Florenka. Franca, she must be really exhausted by this. And also, look at her. It seems that she is really getting angry. I don't really like her habit of putting meds on your drink. It's not good to enjoy watching others make fools of themselves. Miale said to her. Now, Miale said she will add 5 more whips. Well, after hearing that, of course, Florenka, she looks really getting angry. Now, Miale said, well, I'll tell them to leave you alone and take a night to reflect here. Well, it seems that she was going to leave her like that. Well, it seems that Miaoli, she is really a first person and she is not afraid to anyone, even though Mimi is the daughter of her lover. Well, it doesn't really matter to her. Well, for now, she can say to her, sweet dreams, Mimi. It seems that she is really teasing her so much. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. The only person you care about is your sister. Well, we can go back to Mengyan and Gusing. Looking at Gusing, she was still speaking to Mengyan. Well, the two of them are trying to cope up with the misunderstanding. Can you like me? Gusing said to Mengyan. Well, Mengyan, she keeps staring on hers. She knew that I was Gusing's only choice after she couldn't go back, but her expression is really so cute. She was trying not to laugh. Well, even though still the two of them are really talking seriously, but the speed of love. Gusing, she was trying to ask Mengyan unless chase me. Gusing, have you ever chased someone before? Mengyan, she kept asking her a question. Gusing said, roughly. Now, after hearing that, when? Junior high school? High school? What does it look like? Mengyan, she kept asking Gusing. Well, probably she was really getting angry about this. Since Gusing, she's not speaking. Mengyan, it seems that she is getting crazy again. Look at her, pushing Gusing silently. Well, if you want to pursue me, show me your attitude. Mengyan said to Gusing. Now, she was fixing her hair. This girl, she is getting serious about this. Well, what do you think? What is she going to do this time? Well, a punishment for Gusing. It seems that it is really approaching. Well, for example, just spread your obediently or something. Mengyan said to Gusing. Do you know how I teach others to apologize? You have to show your attitude. Don't think that you can just let it go just because you left me, Kusing said to her. But instead, Kusing, she was holding her and also hugging her. There's no need to have this attitude every time. I'm tired of it. Well, Mengyan said, tired of it? Now she's getting angry again. Our little Fanny, she's always getting mad. But moreover, she's really cute, right? Well, I know that my credibility is still under evaluations in your mind. You may not believe me yet, and I myself may not have probably figured it out, but I'm trying to put you first. Kusing said to her. Oh, Kusing, it turns out she was really sweet person. She can tell things like that. It's amazing. They're the same skin. They're two completely different soul. Kusing, Mengyan, she keeps staring on hers. How could I confuse them? Kusing, from now on, I will be your new mother and sister. Oh, that was really tough. So it turns out she only wanted to treat her like that. But back into the fuss, a pig can only raise a little, but so the dirty and get away. It makes sense. All these things can we remember by Mangyan at this moment. Well, she thinks that Kusing, she was really different from the current Kusings right now. Kusing's life is completely opposite of me. She has a parents, money, and lots of playmates. She was afraid that I will take this away and turn me into an ant under her feet, and I will let her watch herself lose everything in the end. Only I'll be left. It's just a fireside, Kusing said to her. Back then, looking at Kusing, let her also taste the taste that can only be parasitic on me. Well, it seems that Kusing, she's a bit kind of greedy, right? Well, there's a French calculations between us, but there's nothing like. Well, Kusing, she was trying to explain everything to her. Well, let's see. You're so weird. You can actually say something people were spoiled by happy family that make me lose my temper at you. Willfulness. Cool. Have you ever? Well, let's see on what's gonna happen next. This is really kind of interesting. Now, the two of them keeping seeing each other. I don't have it, but I want to take care of you, nurture you, and teach you well. You are my child. Oh, why suddenly she really want to be her mother? This girl. How about being a lover? Well, let's hope that the two of them can really rely on their feelings and also can really protect each other. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.